This song features two chord patterns. For the verse and chorus, we'll start on a G major, G, B, D. We'll go to C major, C, E, G. Then to E minor, E, G, B. And then to D major, D, F sharp, A. Each chord gets 2 beats, starting on G major. It could look like this in one hand. 3, 4, G, C, E minor, D, G, C, E minor, D. In two hands, that verse and chorus pattern could look like this. 2, 3, start on G, E minor, D, G, C, E minor, D. The pre-chorus and bridge follow the same pattern. They start on C, C, E, G for 2 whole measures. Then we'll get an E minor, E, G, B, to a D major, D, F sharp, A. That whole sequence will happen 1 time in the pre-chorus, but 3 times in the bridge, followed in the bridge by a C major chord again, C, E, G, and then a D major chord, D, F sharp, A, to lift us back into that previous chorus pattern. In one hand, the bridge and pre-chorus pattern could look and sound like this. Starting on C, 2, 3, we get. Then halftime, E minor, D major. Back to that, E minor, D major, C for the 3rd time on the bridge. Then the tag chords. In 2 hands, that pre-chorus and bridge pattern could look like this, starting on C major, 2, 3, 4.